Hello everyone, welcome to computer class. We have reached lesson 21, Notepad in computer. You might have heard about Notepad. When you use your mobile, you might have seen the option Notepad. Same way in computer, there is a program called Notepad. In Notepad, you can write short notes or else important points or else you can type anything. It is like you can store information. Now, let us learn more about Notepad. On the screen, I have written the meaning of Notepad. Notepad is used to enter information or data that is in simple text form. See, in Notepad, you can type a simple text. Like sometimes, if you want to write a story, then you can use Notepad. Or else, if you want to make a sentence or important sentences, if you want to write and keep, then you can use Notepad. It is like your book. See, in your book, sometimes you will write some important points or paragraph, letters, story, many things. Same way in computer, you can use Notepad to type anything. Notepad is useful for creating notes and memos. I hope you have understood about Notepad. Now let us learn how to start Notepad. In the sense, how to open Notepad in computer. First, you have to click on Start button. Next, you have to click on All Programs. Then you have to click on Accessories. Then you will get the option called Notepad. This is the way you can start Notepad. You will get the Notepad window when you click on Notepad option. Here on the screen, you can see the page that is Notepad window. On the empty page, you can type the letters. Even you can type the paragraphs. So Notepad is mainly used for storing information in the form of text. See how to practice typing using Notepad. Remember, we learned how to use correct fingers on the keyboard to type. Let's practice some typing in Notepad. See, when we type on a keyboard, we have to use correct fingers. You might have seen the lesson 9. In that video, I had explained how to use the fingers on the keyboard. If you haven't seen the video, kindly check the description box. There you will get the link. Now you knew that how to type words in Notepad. But if we want to type sentences and paragraphs, we need to use capital letters at the beginning of our sentences. We may also want to write the title in all capital letters. So how do we capitalize letters using the keyboard? There are two keys that help you to do this. One, caps lock key. Now let us learn some points about caps lock key. Here on the screen you can see the keyboard. I have highlighted in green box the caps lock key. Caps lock key appears on the left side of the keyboard. As you can see here, we can use this key to switch between typing small letters and capital letters. Caps lock key is also referred as toggle key. We can say as toggle key. Now, how to know that caps lock key is on or off? See, a small light of the caps lock key glowing, it means the caps lock key is on. Otherwise, it is off. When caps lock is on, the alphabets that we type appear in capital letters. By default, the caps lock key is set to off. We turn on the caps lock key if we need to write multiple alphabets in capital letters. For example, we can use the caps lock key to write the entire title in capitals. I hope you have understood about caps lock key. Now let us learn about one more key, that is shift key. Here you can see the shift key. Actually it appears both the sides of the keyboard. But here you can see only one side. If you see the keyboard, you will come to know the shift keys appears both the side. The shift key is always pressed along with another key. In the sense, if you want to make the letter A in capital, then you have to press shift key as well as A. Together you have to press. Usually we use the shift key when we want to write only a single alphabet in capital letters. For example, when we use the shift key to capitalize the first word of a sentence. Just now I have explained about caps lock key and shift key. So when you type any letters or paragraphs, then you have to use these keys. I hope you have understood. I hope this video will be useful one.